Hey guys, today we're going to bring you a short, simple video. A lot of people have trouble on their offset backing, and so we want to do just a quick, to-the-point video where you can see exactly how to do the offset. This is how we recommend that you do it. This is the best, the easiest way. And so watch this, watch these points, practice them. It'll help you on your test. You get this knocked out, you'll pass that test. We'll see you on the other side. All right guys, today we're going to teach you how to do this offside backing. Starting from inside the box, we're going to show you how to do this offside tracking. You want that most right rear tire to go between that line and that cone. I like to be close to the cone for my setup. That's how I do it there. Now I want to make sure my truck and trailer are straight. That gives me an added advantage when I'm backing into the box. Set my brakes, honk my horn. Now I'm going to start my backing. Here I typically go straight until I'm almost to that cone on my right side. Then I do my left-hand turn to start pushing that trailer into the box. Once I get my trailer headed that way, I'm looking at my driver's side for that cone. I got my cone dialed in. I'm going to go right past that cone. Got my trailer all situated. Now I'm going to get drive tires on my truck in. Bring in my steer tires for the front of the truck. Once I've got the whole vehicle in there and in line, now it's just a pretty little straight back into the box. Once you get that bumper into your box, it's a good idea to set your brakes, go look at it. Once you know it's there, honk that horn, you're done.